Here we have a system of two linear equations. For each real number r, which of the following points lies on the graph of each equation in the xy plane for the given system? In the given answer choices, we have to find the point which lies on the graph of each equation in the given system over here. Okay, now let me take both the linear equations in Desmos. Let me take the first equation, that is 5x negative 3y equals to 8. Okay, now let me take the second equation, that is negative 40x positive 24y equals to negative 64. Okay, here for both the equations, I am getting the same graph, that is a line over here in Desmos. Now let me consider the point where I have an answer choice A. Okay, let me take that point over here in Desmos. So that is negative r over 8 negative 8. This is the x coordinate, and the y coordinate is r over 8 positive 64. I've taken the point in answer choice A. And now let's consider an important information over here, that is for each real number r. That means r can take any real value. So here in point A, if this r takes any real value, this point must be on the graph of the equations in the given system. Okay, here we can use slider in Desmos to get the different real values for r. Let me click on r. Okay, here let me identify the point. Okay, here r equals to 1. We know that 1 is a real number. When r takes a real value 1, the point is not on the graph. So we can reject answer choice A. Okay, now let's consider the point we have an answer choice B. Okay, let me make some changes over here to get the point in answer choice B. That is negative 3r over 5 positive 8, and here 3r over 5 negative 64. I have taken the point in answer choice B. Here again r equals to 1. 1 is a real value. When r takes the real value 1, the point is not on the graph. So we can reject the point we have an answer choice B. Okay, now let's consider the point we have an answer choice C. Let me take that point over here in Desmos. It is 3r over 5 positive 8 over 5. And the y coordinate is just r. Let me erase and take r as a y coordinate. Okay, here when r equals to 1, we can see the point on the graph over here. But according to the condition, for any real value of r, the point must be on the graph. Okay, so let's use slider to get the different values for r. Okay, here whatever value I take for r, the point is always on the graph. So for each real number r, the point in answer choice C lies on the graph of each equation in the given system. So answer choice C must be correct. Anyways, we can verify answer choice D also. Okay, now let me take the point in answer choice D. The x coordinate is r. Okay, and the y coordinate is 5r over 3 positive 8 over 3. Okay, here we have r equals to negative 10. When r takes a real value negative 10, clearly the point is not on the graph. So we can reject answer choice D as well. So the correct answer choice for this question is C.